Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I want to go over today what I made with my kit that I recently showed, and this is the one called Pack Your Bags. So this is the sticker sheet that I have. This is by Echo Park and Cartabella. I'm sorry, this is actually by Cartabella, which I'm guessing they're all part of the same, I don't know like the whole paper deal, but these are the stickers that I used. I will be using a lot more of them because I am going to actually start making some embellishments out of the things that I have left over. Since this isn't really a collection that I'm going to use a lot of, I figured it would be kind of cool to just make some embellishments and maybe add them to other layouts if I need to. So this is all the stickers that I used up. I used a couple stickers from my stash. These are the two that are left over, which I might actually put this on a layout. So this one will probably be the only one left over. I used a lot of these stickers from the dollar store. They just went with the collection so much, and I probably will be using more of them once I make the embellishments. So I have those. And then I did use a few of the stickers from Tutti Frutti, My Mind's Eye. They just were really cute and kind of went with somewhat of the theme, so I used those. And then let me see, I did not use any of these. I don't think I used any of them. Yeah, so the Wild Child, I thought I was going to use some of these, but I ended up not using them, so those will go back in my stash. I actually added these K&I Memories gel candy stickers. They went really well with the colors, so I figured I would get some use out of them, and I did use a lot of them. I don't know if I showed these in my video that they were in. And then this, the Project Life, I did use a lot of these stickers. I was really surprised. I used a couple on this sheet, a couple on this sheet, and some on that. So really did enjoy using these up. I did use two of these stickers from the Making Memories Just Chillin' collection. I was going to use this one, but it just didn't look right. So I will probably add these to my sticker book, so then that way I have them. And then I did end up using actually all of the last two of these. I didn't use the ocean one or this sticker. This is not really my style, like I said. I mean, we do travel, but I just don't like the dark colors. So, but I did use them up, so those will go back in my sticker stash. I did make a few embellishments, which I want to show you guys because this has been something that I have been enjoying lately. So I took a lot of tips and tricks from some ladies here on YouTube and made this little rosette. Just it says travel with a little bit of a camera. Just really cute. Just for like extra pages I could use. And then this one right here is probably one of my favorites. The World is Waiting for You. Just using a couple of stickers. And like I said, I probably will be using a lot more stickers on throughout the kit to make embellishments. Just because I found this so much fun to make embellishments with paper. And then this one right here. See the world. And these don't necessarily have to be like traveling across the world. They can be, you know, our trip down to the beach or something like that. So I figured this would be really cute to put in my embellishment stash. I did cut up a lot of the pieces from the kit, so I will be using those in my embellishments. And then this is the paper that I have left over, so a lot of little pieces that I will be making, just some like rosettes, just anything really. And then this is the bigger pieces that I have. I have some of the cut-aparts, which I probably will be cutting these up and just keeping them with the collection because I do have, let's see, that piece. This is the one that I actually ended up cutting up half of the sheet to make these embellishments, if you can see that. So I did cut up a couple of those, and then this is another full sheet that I have. And I could cut these up, but I do like this one. So this one could be used for other pictures, and then this world one right here, which I will put in my stash. And I did cut up a couple of these globes. So these will all go in my stash of papers, and then these will go into making some embellishments for just anything really. So let me show you guys what the layouts look like. I really do like how they turned out. They turned out really, really cute. So this one right here, let me just set it down so you guys can get the full effect of what it looks like. So I did end up using some of those, this is like a wood piece of chipboard from the Project Life. That's Project Life. There's just some cut-aparts. Here's one of the stickers and the cut-apart. I made a little rosette. Here's a tag. Here's one of the stickers that actually two of the stickers that I had. And then this little cluster up here. Just really cute. I really love how this one turned out. It's very bright, pretty, and not like a whole lot of travel. So this next one is probably one of my favorites. So this one is Road Trip to Mimi's. This is using the this is from that sticker sheet that I had like 2 stickers left. There is the stickers that I use, or the jelly stickers. I actually added a little arrow on there. Just a whole bunch of clusters of stickers from the collection. And then more stickers. More stickers up here. So really love how this one turned out. Really cute. I love the red. I love how vibrant it is. I just love how everything went together. The next one is probably one of my favorites. So this is what the second to last one looks like. I got 4 layouts out of this one. So this one is actually, I pulled some of these from like, I have this bin up front my desk that has just cut-aparts just random in there. And so I like to go in there every once in a while and just pick out some things. So I have these clouds. This is from the collection. This is from one of my sticker sheets. Just really cute. I actually love how I added this trim that I just got from Michaels, and then I just added, I actually used a punch and punched out all that, more of the clouds and just some stickers. I love the little phrase because it just reminds me of the fray on the llama. And some sunglasses, and then these little half circles are actually from the same stash as this. So I have been using up my just normal stash, which I really enjoy because it's something that you don't think about, and just getting, you know, use out of all your stuff. So that one is really cute. And then the last one that I have is very simple. Probably not my favorite, but it's just, I guess, pretty simple. I could add more to it, but just some more stickers. This is kind of like a grid layout. I did use some rosettes, some more stickers, and more stickers. And there's one of those tags. So there is that. So out of that, getting 4 layouts completed was perfect in my eyes. I got pictures documented. I'm just excited that I got to use at least some of this collection for some pictures. So that is all I have today, guys. I hope everybody is staying safe, doing well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!